Kotak Education Foundation's newest initiative is the Foundation Literacy and Numeracy Program. We believe that education is the cornerstone for any development in a nation. This program is based on 4 pillars: an innovative content and curriculum, a dynamic teacher training program with lesson plans and all support for the teachers, a school leadership component which ensures that the principals and the leaders are aligned with it, and a community engagement.
Our main aim was to have a classroom brimming with excitement. We wanted to create a playground of minds. So what is most important to children? They love to play. Therefore, we decided to use the pedagogy of play-based method. What do you see in a playground? You see movement, you see children moving around. So our content is extremely interactive.
The Foundational Literacy and Numeracy program at Kotak Education Foundation works at a multiple level to make sure that the children are achieving the Nipun Bharat mission. And to do so, we are working with teachers, we are working with headmasters, we are working with students and communities. With regard to building learning spaces, we have taken up the project of transforming a school and making it fun for children so that they would love to come to school and learn all the foundational skills that they need to. So let's take a look at what we have done with regard to building these learning spaces. Let's go! As soon as the child enters the school, there are these stairs where we have put numbers, subtraction, and in this process they are also learning numbers. Tangram is an important part of maths where we teach children how to combine shapes to be able to create different objects. 21st century skills are very important for the development of children because they help the children to become independent individuals. Here we have tried to incorporate all the shapes that are there that the child looks at every day and the real-life implications of all of these shapes. The theme of our school is that of a train. So here is a train and the child enters the classroom. The classroom floor has been transformed into a way in which the child can learn angles. Here we have decorated the soft board in such a way that math concepts from 2D shapes to number sense to different multiplication, subtraction and other of those signs are all displayed in a way that the child can learn through seeing. We also have a number line here. Number line is one of the basic concepts that are needed for the child to be able to learn number sense. We have created a celebration wall here where whenever a child is doing something which is great and the teacher wants to appreciate them, the child can stand here and the teacher can take a picture or just celebrate the child in such a way. As soon as we enter every class, we have a height chart. This is a good way in which the children can experience the growth in height that they are having year on year. Next to the height chart, we have a mirror and there are some positive reinforcements that we have added which they can use on a day-to-day basis. As you can see on the wall, we have all the lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and units. And the teacher can do activities with children where she can tell a number and the child has to go and add the digits as per the units place. So here we have the train which has all the 3D shapes that are there that children learn. To ensure that children learn their foundational skills is through something called a 6-station method. We focus on focus stations, storytelling station, listen and talk aloud station, skill drill station, homework station and pedagogy station. So here we have something called a magic cube, which is basically a way in which children can learn multiplication.
Every classroom has a space like this where the child can come and sit and spend some time with books so that the children can inculcate the love for reading.
The educational tools and apparatus which they have provided, I can see as an administrator that is really helping them. They are quite excited to use them. And over a period of around 3 months, we could see that their understanding of the concepts has improved tremendously.
जेव्हा मुलं ह्या शाळेमध्ये जेव्हा आली तेव्हा शाळेचं बदललेलं पूर्णपणे रूप बघून मुलं अतिशय आनंदी झाली. म्हणजे त्यांचा आनंद अगदी गगनातच मावेना. म्हणजे काय इतकं सुंदर शाळा कशी काय आपली. तर त्यामुळे मुलांचा आनंद अगदी बघण्यासारखा होता. आम्ही पालकांनासुद्धा आम्ही मुद्दामून वर्गखोल्यांमध्ये आणलं. पालकांनीही वर्ग खोल्या पॅसेज जेव्हा बघितलं तेव्हा पालकांनाही अतिशय आनंद झाला.
This is a small snapshot of everything that we have done in this school. See you in some other school. Bye.